Good day everyone, I'm Evan Carmendoza of BSCCE 3B, and in today's video, I will present to you my task number 2, which is using Arduino with 4x4 numeric keypad. The materials needed in this task are 4 330 ohms resistor, 4 LEDs, breadboard, Arduino board, USB cable, 9 volts battery, and connecting wires. For the schematic diagram of this task, you can see it on the screen. Let's proceed to the construction procedures. Install the LEDs. Connect the resistors from the short leg of the LEDs, which is the cathode, to the negative terminal of the board. Then, connect from the anode legs of the LEDs to pin 13, pin 12, pin 11, and pin 10. Connect the keypad to its corresponding Arduino pins. Connect the ground to the negative terminal of the board. Now, connect the Arduino board to the laptop for code programming. This is the programming codes for this task number 2. Now, let's upload the codes. We will now proceed to the functioning demonstration. Now, we will disconnect the Arduino board to the laptop and change the power source of the Arduino with 9 volts battery.